Hello everyone, what's up? I hope that everyone is fit and fine. I am also doing great. Today I am in Comilla city and I think you can understand here. I am in Comilla railway station and actually I want to share one thing with you, but before that I want to record one special thing, that is, look at this. I think you can understand this, a train which name is maybe Paharika Express. This train come to Comilla railway station, and actually whenever I come to Comilla railway station I see this type of scenario. This is very common nowadays, but once upon a time this type of things was very special for me. Okay, now I want to share that thing, that is, look at this. This is actually the signboard of Comilla city. Different types of people who are from other district and different types of people who are even from Comilla district, if they get the opportunity to take picture here, they try to take this picture. And actually this place is very famous for the TikTokers also. They try to do different types of TikTok videos here, and sometimes they try to they actually try to threat the other jillas people, the other areas people, and they say that you must have to fear of Comilla's people. They are very courageous and they do several types of things, and I will kill you, I will destroy you, such type of thing. And I have some of my friends, they also try to share this type of video for fun purpose, and with the people who are actually the same-minded, we also try to make different types of funny comments, although we promote the TikTokers, but again it's a great form of entertainment, we must have to say. So this place is famous for TikTokers, and I think I will able to show you that there is another one, there is another one signboard in that corner, and there are two other signboard also in two other corners. So almost 4 signboard here in Comilla city, in Comilla railway station, with the nameplate of Comilla. So this is very morning, and the weather is not very well. It's very cold weather, and I think you noticed that I am wearing a jacket. Without wearing a jacket, it's very difficult to survive in this condition, especially in Comilla city. I don't know what happens with you, or if you have any time, or if you are interested, please make a comment that what's the weather condition in your area, so that I can understand this. Actually I am very fear of the people who are from northern area. I think they are in northern area of our Bangladesh. It's very cold weather, and I think the people who lives in that area, they are suffering from this weather. So that's all about today's video. In future I will make more and more videos. I think you all know that I am practicing English speaking, and I try to do different types of things in English, and I try to continuously upload English videos. Actually I try to improve my English speaking fluency. So for achieving this fluency, the things which I do, I try to share with you. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I appreciate that you are watching my videos, and I wish you a best of luck.